Alright, finishing up the wiring harness. I've added an electric emergency brake, so I got rid of the manual. I have electric windows now, that's a module. Shade door handles, that's another module. I have electric push button start, that's another module. Digital, or Dakota digital gauge package, that's what that big oval is. Plus a GPS package. Added a bunch of relays. Have constant plus, keyed plus, negative terminal. Just starting to clean up the wires. It's taken quite a few weekends to get to this point. Everything's working. Everything's LED now. Front lights, I got running lights. What else? I guess that's it. Anyway, starting to clean it up. Probably put the body on the pan next weekend. And that's it. That's where I'm at. Body's going back on, finally. Forgot to record. Doing some sketchy shit over here with the jack. But I'm down to about 4 inches in the back. Okay, body's all the way down. Don't look at the interior, it's a mess. So far everything seems to line up. Okay, it's been a minute, a long minute since I posted last. Getting there. Got the windows in except for the windshield. Have the deck lid and the hood down the basement. They've been cut and buffed. I still need to do the car. That should be coming up. But got some of the interior in. I have the door panels, I just haven't mounted them yet. made a custom center console. Custom dash, you probably have seen that before. Hopefully another couple weeks also I'll have the engine in. And I'm trying to get it running by the end of the summer. So that's it for now.